Top 10 Deepest Ocean Explorations. Number 10, Archimede, 31,350 feet, 9,560 meters. In 1964, the French bathyscaphe Archimede descended into the Puerto Rico Trench, exploring one of the deepest parts of the Atlantic Ocean. This dive was crucial for studying deep sea pressures and temperatures. Number 9, Trieste 2, 32,800 feet, 10,000 meters. The Trieste 2, a successor to the famous Trieste, made a series of dives in the 1960s, including into the Tonga Trench in the Pacific Ocean. These explorations provided essential data on seafloor geology and deep-sea biology. Number 8, Shinkai 6,500, 32,963 feet, 10,044 meters. Japan's Shinkai 6,500, launched in 1989, has been instrumental in biological and geological surveys. Its ability to dive beyond 10,000 meters makes it one of the most capable manned research submersibles in the world. Number 7, Kaiko, 35,433 feet, 10,800 meters. Operated by Japan, the remotely operated vehicle, ROV Kaiko, reached 35,433 feet in the Mariana Trench in 1995. It collected samples and data that have been vital in understanding the deepest ocean ecosystems. Number 6, Nereus, 35,768 feet, 10,902 meters. In 2009, the hybrid remotely operated vehicle, HROV Nereus, reached the Challenger Deep, the deepest part of the Mariana Trench. Nereus helped map the trench more accurately and collected biological and geological samples before its loss in 2014. Before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you're alerted about my upcoming videos. Number 5, Vityaz-D, 36,006 feet, 10,971 meters. The Russian unmanned submersible Vityaz-D dove to a depth of 36,006 feet in 2020, confirming its capability to operate in the deepest parts of the world's oceans, particularly in the Challenger Deep. Number 4, Limiting Factor, 35,853 feet, 10,927 meters. This submersible, part of the 5 Deeps expedition, made multiple dives to the bottom of the Challenger Deep in 2019. Piloted by Victor Vescovo, it has been one of the few submersibles to repeatedly visit and study the deepest ocean trenches. Number 3, James Cameron's Deepsea Challenger, 35,787 feet, 10,908 meters. In 2012, filmmaker and explorer James Cameron piloted the Deepsea Challenger to the bottom of the Challenger Deep. Cameron's solo dive was significant for its extensive media coverage and the spotlight it put on deep-sea exploration. Number 2, Trieste, 35,814 feet, 10,916 meters. On January 23, 1960, the bathyscaphe Trieste, piloted by Jacques Piccard and U.S. Navy Lieutenant Don Walsh, made a historic dive to the Challenger Deep. This was the first time humans reached the deepest known part of the ocean, marking a significant achievement in human exploration. Number 1, 5 Deeps Expedition, 35,876 feet, 10,935 meters. The 5 Deeps Expedition submersible Limiting Factor, piloted by Victor Vescovo, reached the deepest part of the Challenger Deep in May 2019. This dive set the record for the deepest solo dive ever made, confirming the Limiting Factor as the only commercially certified submersible capable of repeatedly reaching the deepest parts of the oceans. This video was created using Lumen 5, an AI-driven tool, and includes content based on information from various resources.